A little Irishman am I, a radical indeed, sir, and radical I mean to die in my religious creed, sir. I love all men, I do declare, me church has taught me this, sir. To some me love is quite sincere, to others it is less, sir. Sweet liberty's the thing for me, for it I ever feel, sir, and Ireland free from slavery, it is the prayer of shield, sir. A man of my religious creed, suppose he was a bad man, were I to help him in his deed, would I not be the madman? The Jew, he is me fellow man, the Turk the same indeed, sir. To the infidel I'd wish him well and help him in his need, sir. Sweet liberty's the thing for me, for it I ever feel, sir, and Ireland free from slavery, it is the prayer of shield, sir. If one is good, it's not to me. What is the creed or clan, sir? The earth is all one family, from Adam and Eve began, sir. But the one who puts oppression down, well, that's the one for me, sir. I care not whether black or brown, or church or country, sir. Sweet liberty's the thing for me, for it I ever feel, sir, and Ireland free from slavery, it is the prayer of shield, sir. Sweet liberty's the thing for me, for it I ever feel, sir, and Ireland free from slavery, it is the prayer of shield, sir.